See him?
Yeah, he's down there.
I see him. Got eyes on him. Push. Come on, push.
Scott, cover me. He's right there, by the window.
Right there.
By the window, guys.
Yeah,
If I move my face, I'm screwed. I can't aim.
Leave him behind me.
I need... They leave?
Here, Patty, cover him in. How do you move your stuff?
Oh, hold down this button. Oh. Yeah. Paddy, we need you to like cross the thing and shoot.
Patty, you need to center.
Guys, flank him. Is it stuck?
We're trying to pin down.
Go away, boy.
I can see his torch.
We're trying to pin down here.
Guys, can you flank him?
We're trying to pin down in the room.
Alright, I'm gonna do something very crazy. Allah Akbar! Alright. Can you aim for me?
Right, you're pointing at the wall.
Alright. Alright. Ah,
Hey, walking out.
cramp. Ah, alright. Party. Ah, right. Nearly hit. Fuck. Can someone help? Hit, walking out. Hit. Ah. Hit. Ah.
Yes, Dylan.
Hit. Oh.
What? No, you have to keep the shield in the color shield. Still heal for long.
Ah.
Good, whoever is, stop now.
So,
Not good enough.
I'm sure what you're going to
shoot, that's fine, let's flank him. Let's flank him.